In this video, we're going to show you how to use the SportScope iPad app with your smart camera. Once you have all your equipment set up, go ahead and open up the settings of your iPad and look for the SportScope Wi-Fi network. If you're on the sideline, you're going to connect to the sideline network. If you're in the press box, you're going to connect to the press box network. It's very important to make sure that no iPads in the press box connect to the sideline and vice versa. Once you're connected to the correct Wi-Fi network, go ahead and open up the SportScope app. From one iPad, you're going to create a new game. So you're going to go to the game section, you're going to hit new. If you're a football team, select football. Make sure you select your location, put in your team name as well as your opponent's name. The next step is to see if your cameras are ready. If they're both ready, go ahead and hit start game and the game will be created. Once the game is created, you will see this screen. You can see in the top left you got your end zone view. If you'd like to switch angles, you just tap it. Once you hit record, both angles will be recording. You can then press your thumbs to the iPad screen, and on the right you're going to have your pan and tilt, and on the left will be your zoom. Once you hit stop, the play will automatically download to every iPad that's connected to the network, and you can go ahead and replay it as well as switch angles. Once the next play starts, you can go ahead and hit record. You can ODK the play, and you can pan and tilt and zoom again. The more you move your thumb outside the circle, the faster the pan and tilt is going to be. Same thing with the zoom. Each play will automatically download to each device, whether they're connected to the press box or the sideline antenna. Since the clips download to each device, every coach could be on a different play at a different time. To change some settings of your smart camera, go ahead and hit the settings button. Here's where you can hit record to camera, which will actually record to the SD card of your camera and to the iPad at the same time. This just gives you a backup copy. You do need to have a memory card in at this time. You can also adjust the pan and tilt speed to your liking, as well as other settings. The main menu of the app is found in the top left-hand corner. The most important section is the camera section. This is where you can turn off live streams. We do recommend that you turn off the press box live stream if you do have two angles. You can also change a bunch of preferences. There's also a help and troubleshoot feature, as well as a system info feature that's useful for our tech supports if there is ever an issue. The smart camera was designed to integrate sideline instant replay with your in-zone camera. A single operator with an iPad can start and stop both your camera angles for instant replays, as well as pan, tilt, and zoom your in-zone camera shot, all from the sideline or in the press box. The smart camera reduces your game time setup and also reduces your film staff down to 2 people, one controlling your press box camera and the other controlling all aspects of your instant replay as well as your in-zone camera.